The important thing to mention here is that even from the beginning of time, that anytime there was a new invention, then people started to put their pride in the work of their own hands. Like we say, Pharaoh represents somebody who thinks that he made himself. I made this river and I created myself. And ultimately, when we get so caught up in technology, you're talking about AI, whatever it might be, that we start to sort of idolize the work of our hands. We say that we made it ourselves instead of saying, thank you, Hashem, for the wisdom that you've given us to implement this new technology and put it to use for good in the world. So I think we all have this opportunity to look at where we are and where we've come. And if we haven't made it very far in the last few thousand years in terms of humanity, then what can we do to reconnect to the truth, the Torah, and make that our objective truth instead of a subjective reality that's become so prevalent today. So nothing new under the sun means we aren't off the hook. We need to continue to mend our ways